In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add watermark to protect your Fiverr work. Protecting your portfolio and deliveries is essential on any freelance marketplace, and Fiverr gives you a built-in watermark that helps prevent unauthorized use of your images before a buyer completes an order. I'll walk you through how to switch it on quickly and confidently, and share a few tips so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Fiverr and press Enter. From the results, click the official Fiverr website. This route is helpful if you don't have the site bookmarked. Once the home page loads, make sure you're viewing the seller interface. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead and do that so you can access your dashboard. At the top of the Fiverr site, look for the My Business menu. It usually appears in the main navigation bar for sellers. Click My Business, then choose Gigs. This takes you to your list of active, paused, and draft gigs. The watermark setting is controlled individually, so you'll choose the gig you want to protect first. On the Gigs page, click the specific gig where you want watermarks enabled. This opens that gig's management view. Here, look for the option labeled Activate Watermark. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click the toggle to turn it on. Once it's enabled, the switch will change state to indicate it's active. Here's what that means. Fiverr will overlay a semi-transparent watermark on eligible image previews that buyers see before an order is completed. This discourages unauthorized use, while still allowing clients to review your work. After the order is delivered and the buyer completes it, Fiverr removes the watermark so they receive clean files as intended. Note that this feature applies to supported image formats. It won't cover every file type. If you often deliver videos, documents, or archives, consider sharing preview-friendly versions and keeping unprotected source files for final handoff only after completion. If you manage several gigs, repeat this process for each one where you want the watermark active. It's a set-and-forget setting, so once it's on, future eligible image deliveries tied to that gig will be protected. If you don't see the My Business or Gigs options, make sure you're in seller mode and try viewing on a desktop browser for the clearest layout. And that's it. By enabling Activate Watermark on your gig, you maintain professional presentation while keeping your visuals safe during the review phase. Turn it on for your key gigs and keep creating with confidence.